What up, party peeps? Welcome to the fam. With me, Jackie. What up, fam? It's Jackie, and today we're going to be doing a product review of a product I actually just bought about maybe 2 weeks ago. I purchased the ITech Activity Tracker from Aldi. Anyone who's ever watched my videos know that I absolutely love Aldi's. Like, I love their food. I love the items that they carry there sometimes. Sometimes you can really find some really good stuff there. So this is one of those items that I kind of bought down that center aisle, you know, where it's got all just random stuff. It was like the buy of the week or something like that. Anyway, I'm actually wearing it right now. I got the blue on. So I saw this item in Aldi's a couple weeks ago when I was shopping, and I've been really been wanting to buy an activity tracker, but they're just kind of expensive. I mean, they range anywhere between $50 to $100 for a decent one, and right now in my weight loss journey, I just wasn't sure if I was going to be staying committed to, you know, the walking and the counting of the steps kind of a thing. So I really didn't want to go investing a lot of money into something if I thought that it would be something that I would kind of like just not do anymore. So anyway, after I've been walking for about 2 months now, and so I figured it was about that time that I could, you know, invest into a product. So I bought it, and I've been wearing it for about 2 weeks now, and so I just kind of wanted to review the product to let you know what I think about it. You're not going to find anything on this product. This is pretty much the only video out there for this product, because when I first bought this product, I mean, yes, I'm probably a little bit ignorant, I don't know. I was having issues trying to figure out exactly how it worked. So of course the first thing that I did was Google to see if there were any reviews. The only reviews for this product were the ones that I could find, like on the app. There's actually an app that you download to use in conjunction with the watch. And that was the only comments or reviews that I could even find on this item was on the app. So I'm excited to do this video for you. I hope you enjoy. I hope you buy the item. But I'm just going to kind of unbox it. I've already opened it, but I'm just going to kind of show you the contents of how it's packaged and, you know, what comes in the box. So it comes actually with 2 wristbands, and it comes, so I've got the blue one on, as you can see here, and then it does come with an additional wristband for so that you can change it depending on what you're wearing. Then underneath here, you'll see it has like a little compartment. Really, there's not much else to this box. It has the instructions, which are pretty much useless, and the charger. So I'm going to just kind of show you how that works, because I had like a blonde moment, guys. I couldn't quite figure it out, which is why I started looking at reviews and stuff. So I'm like, how the hell do you put this thing on there? It took forever for me to try to figure out how this thing charged. So I'm going to actually show you how it charges so that you don't get confused like me. And I'm also going to show you some features, because there were features to the watch that I did not realize were available on this watch that that I actually found out over time of wearing it. And I'm like, holy crap, I didn't know it could do that. So these are the instructions, and it really just kind of goes over some basic things. There's really not much to it. Once you download the app, which is the ITech Activity, let's see, it's actually, what does it say? ITech Activity Tracker app. It actually syncs the time. You don't have to set the time. Your watch will automatically sync with your phone. But then all your progress from the watch will track to the app as well. So that's pretty neat. So I'll just kind of go over some of the basic functions that it does have. So of course it's a watch, so you can track your time and the date. But you can also, it says call, SMS, more app reminders, lost alert. So it says an alarm will sound for 30 seconds when you have gone out of range of your iTech device. Sedentary reminder. This is really cool because you can actually set in your watch, you do this through the app. You set how often you want to be reminded to get up and move. The alarm, you can set up to 3 different alarms. I currently have mine. I have 2 alarms set. I have one set at 8 o'clock and one set at 2 o'clock, and those are both for my vitamins that I take. So just to remind me to take my vitamins. It also has let's see, you can do a display duration, which is how long you want your screen to stay lit. Find band option, so if you can't find your band, you can locate it. And then there's a shake trigger shutter, which is absolutely like stupid. Like seriously, it's the stupidest feature ever. Like you can go like that, and it will take a picture on your phone. It's like absolutely like pointless. I don't know if they just wanted to like add an extra feature on there so it sounded like super cool or whatever, but it's just like, why wouldn't I just take the picture from my phone? I don't know. The reason I bought this watch, guys, is because I just needed something basic. I don't need to count my heart rate. I don't need all this extra tech stuff on my wrist. I just wanted to be able to count my steps without my phone. I'm just going to go ahead and take this off. I'm going to show you how it sets up. So if you want to change out the band, if you see on the back, you can see where the rubber piece, you just pop it out. That's it. Simple as that. There's a little button on the side, so you want to make sure that it actually lines up with the little button on the side of your watch when you put it back in, or if you switch your band, you know, basically you just want to make sure it lines up. Just pops right back in there, nice and simple. Easy peasy. You see that little button on the side right there? That little button is the power source. And I found this out the other day. I thought that originally that the only way that you could track your steps and things like that were by logging onto your app. But that's how you track your sleep. And it also has a few other features. It's not very detailed app. It just does the basics, but it does kind of show you your progress throughout the week. So it has a diagram and a graph that shows your activity throughout the week, and it shows your progress that way. But what I did not realize, like I said, that I found out later on, which the directions do not tell you or not very detailed at all, is that you push this button here up in your main screen. Hold on, let me get on my main screen here. My main screen is going to be the time, where it sets the date, the time, which will sync. The time will sync with your phone, and then it shows your battery life. And you can see there I've got about a quarter of my battery is gone. So I push it again, and it will show me the steps that I have taken for the day. Push it again, it tells you the miles that you have gone. So 2.3 miles for me today. And then I push it again, and it tells me the calories that I have burned based off of the distance that I have gone. Then you push it again, and it takes you back to the time. If you move your arm like this, or you shake your arm like that, it will display the whatever's on the screen. Okay. Lastly, going into the actual charging of the device, okay, it comes with this cord here. You will have to use your own power, like the thing that plugs in the wall. It did not come with that. It just came with this adapter piece, okay? And it's got, as you can see, I don't know if you can see there's like little three prong right there. How this clips on, and this is where I kind of started getting ignorant. I don't know if I'm just special. Maybe that's the case. I don't know, but I couldn't figure it out on my own. I did figure it out on my own, but I was having a really hard time figuring this out, guys. I felt so stupid once Anyway, so on the back of the watch, you will see there are three prongs. Obviously, my first thought was it goes in there, but I couldn't figure out the exact direction it connected into the watch to charge it. So how it actually connects is you will hold your watch up like that, your three prongs, your three prongs there, see? It just clips on like so, okay? So that's how it looks like in the back. That's how it looks like on the front. And you would think that would be pretty self-explanatory, but for some people like me, it was not, okay? So don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. All in all, like I said, I would definitely rate this product 4.5 to 5 stars for overall ease of use, functions available through the watch, along with the price. This might not be a watch for somebody who is like a hardcore fitness buff. You may want to invest in a more expensive watch, but if you want to do just the basic things like me, like counting your steps, I love the fact that it shows you a rough amount of how many calories you've burned based off of your activity that day. I absolutely love that. I love that it tracks my sleep. I think it's really, really cool. The only downfall with the whole sleep thing is just that you have to log onto your app, which is in your phone, to kind of see that usage. But for the most part, you know, when I'm out walking and I can pop and I can see where I'm at, step-wise, I like it, and I like that I don't have to take my phone everywhere with me. Or if I'm doing an exercise video, that was one of my biggest problems, is if I decided not to walk that day, I just wanted to do an exercise video. I couldn't accurately count my steps because I would have to put my phone down, because I didn't have like one of those, things that you put your phone into. So I love that it comes with an extra band. I love just all in all this product and how cost effective it is. So I would give this product 4.5 to 5 stars for overall cost effectiveness, ease of use, as well as the features that are available for the price. I mean, it's perfect for what I'm using it for. I will go ahead and tell you guys, you're not going to find any other reviews out there. I mean, except for on the app itself. There's only about 1,000 downloads to the app, okay? So this is a product that I don't think that you can just go and buy it at, anywhere. One of the things I definitely want to point out, though, before I go, is that the bands are great at staying on your wrist. I've read some reviews with other products where a lot of the complaints that it had was that the bands kept falling off or coming unbuckled. I have not had a problem with this product coming unbuckled at all. So for me, I have not had an issue with it at all. That's pretty much it today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really hope you found that this review was very useful. I know that this review would have been helpful for me the first time I bought my watch, for setup as well as just how to use the watch and the features. So I hope it helps you as well if you've purchased the watch. Definitely make sure to like, subscribe, comment below, and until next time, guys, peace out, fam!
Stay tuned for our next adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.